So lab program 2. Design, develop, code, and run the program in any suitable language to solve the commission problem. Analyze it from the perspective of boundary value testing, derive different test cases, execute these test cases, and discuss the test result. So here again we are applying same boundary value analysis on another problem, that is commission problem. Now what is commission problem? So in the commission problem we have a salesperson and the gunsmith. So gunsmith will provide locks, stocks and barrels to salesperson. He has to sell all these locks, stocks and barrels, and finally he has to give the report to the gunsmith like how many stocks, locks and barrels are sold out, and based on that he will get the commission. Now how the gunsmith will calculate the commission? There are few assumptions made on this problem, that is price for lock. So price for lock is single lock, that is 45 rupees. Next for stock it is 30, and for barrels it is 25. Production limit could sell in a month 70 locks, 80 stocks and 90 barrels. So commission on sales. So here a price for each lock is 45, stock is 30, for barrels it is 25, and in a month a salesperson can sell only 70 locks, 80 stocks and 90 barrels. Now how the gunsmith will calculate the commission? So here it is the calculation on the commission. Now if the sales is less than or equal to 1000, if the total sale is less than or equal to 1000, then the salesperson will get 10% of the commission. Next, if it is from 1000 to 1800, from 1000 to 1800 he will get 15% of commission, and above 1800 he will get 20% of the commission. So this is what the assumptions we have made. Now this is the program, and all of you know we have declared locks, stocks, barrels, T locks, that is total locks, T stocks, total stocks and total barrels. And what are the price for each stock? L price, lock price is 45, stock price is 30, and barrel price is 25. Now initially the total locks, total stocks and total barrels are 0. Now here you can see the while condition. So whenever the locks is equal to -1. So this indicates that once the salesperson finishes his sale, he will send a telegram to the gunsmith saying that he finished with this month and these are the items he had sold out. So some report thing he will send it to gunsmith. So that is what here, when logs is equal to -1, then here one more condition, as I told there is a limit for each logs, stocks and barrels. So in a month a salesperson can send only 70 logs, that is 0 to 70, and 80 stocks, that is given here, and 90 barrels. Okay, so if all these conditions, if C1 is satisfied, if it is in the range 1 to 70, then you can calculate the total logs. If it is greater than 70, if it exceeds the rate, then you can say that it is not in a range. It is exceeded. Similarly, for logs and stocks you need to calculate. Once it is checked, once the boundaries are checked, the total sale is calculated using this formula. That is uh, log price into total logs plus stock price into total stocks plus barrel price into total barrels. So here you have to calculate the total sales. Now, based on the total sales, how the commission is calculated? As I told, for first 1000, the commission is 10%. So, you need to multiply it by 0.10. That is 10% of 1000. After this, commission is equal to commission of previous plus for next 800. As I told, if it is sales is greater than 1800, if sales is greater than 1800, for first 1000 you will get 10% of commission. So that is what they've given in this statement. And next come to the next commission calculation. That is for the next, in 1800 we have done with 1000. For the next 800 you will get 15% plus the previous commission. And if it is above 1800, so above 1800, commission plus 20%. Why you are minusing this? Because sales minus 1800, as I told, if it is above 800, we are calculating for not like total 1800. The 1000 first we will take, and after that the next 800. So we will finish with 1800. Still it is above that, you will get 20%. If it is 1900, then only for that 100 bucks you will get the 20% commission, not for the entire sale. Okay, so that is what they mean. So that's how total commission is calculated. Now this is the test case. So test case name is boundary value for commission problem. Experiment number is 2. Test data. So we are taking logs, price, stock price and barrel price, and sales is equal to total log into log price plus total stock into stock price plus total barrel into barrel price. And about the commission, 10% up to sales rupees 1000, 15% of next 800 rupees, and 20% on any sales in excess of 1800. So the precondition is log is equal to -1 to exit, and 1 to 70 logs, 1 to 80 stock, and 1 to 90 barrel for 1 month. So the salesperson has to sell at least one complete rifle per month. So this is what the entire detail about the commission problem. Now, how to write the boundary value analysis? So, look into the first description. Checking boundary value for logs, stocks and barrels and your commission. Okay. So here, enter the minimum value for logs, stocks and barrels. So total minimum value is 111. So when you have these values, what is the sales? You have to calculate, and what is the commission. Next is in the second description, enter the minimum value for two items and minimum plus one value for any one item. So similarly as in the first program I explained, so for any two values you have to enter minimum value and minimum plus one value for another variable. So in that time what is the sales and what is the commission? So that we have to calculate and you have to check with the expected output. Next, in the fifth test case, enter the value sales approximately middle value between 100 to 1000. So next is the middle value we have to consider. So middle value of what sales we are considering, even that we are taking as the input variable, input factor. So for sales you are checking values which comes below the 1000 and values which is greater than 1000 and values which is equal to 1800 and values which is greater than 1800. So you are checking for all these conditions. Enter the values to calculate the commission for sales nearly less than 1000. So here you can see the sales column, okay, which is nearly less than 1000. We have sales value as around 975, 970, 955, okay, which is almost near to 1000. So such to get this sales, we need to give the values. So with respect to the sales and enter the values sales exactly which is equal to 1000. So if you want to get the sales as 1000, what are the values you have to give? Just imagine you calculate the values, approximate values you have to give for total stocks, logs and barrels. Next is enter the values to calculate the commission for sales nearly greater than 1000. Now we have done with the which is less than 1000, equal to 1000 and greater than 1000. In the next case you have to see which is nearly less than 1800 and this is equal to 1800 and the greater than 1800. So that is with respect to sales. Next come to 21 test cases, that is enter the values normal value for log, stock and barrels. So this is the normal value for log stocks, the middle value for log stocks and barrels. You have to calculate sales and commission. Enter the maximum value for two items and maximum minus one for any one item. Maximum value and maximum value for two item, max minus one value for one item and do the combinations. Enter the maximum value for logs, stocks and barrels. So this is the maximum value for log is 17, stock is 80, for barrels it is 90 and what is the expected sales and commission. Now we'll see the special test cases. So what are these special test cases? So here enter the random values such that to calculate commission for sales nearly less than 1000. So these are considered as the special cases. Again, you need to see sales which is less than 1000, sales which is greater than 1000 and sales which is less than 1800 and sales which is greater than 1800. So this is what we have to calculate for commission problem, the different test special test cases. Thank you.